This is a quick video on how to turn on push notifications from your cameras in the DMSS app. You would basically subscribe to notifications inside the DMSS app. You have to have your device added, either it be an IP camera, NVR, or DVR. So here what I'm going to do is click on the three dots next to my home NVR and click device details. Once I go in here, there's a setting under alarm settings that says multi-channel alarm subscription. Click on that. Here now you can subscribe to notifications. You can disable or enable them on the top. I already have mine enabled, so if yours are disabled, click on it and enable it so your slider looks blue with a white circle to the right. You can specify under period settings the duration of the hours each day where you want those notifications coming to your phone. And then you can select the type of notification based on the type of event detection you have configured. For example, if you have plain motion detection enabled, you would select motion detection and then the channel that's on. If you have smart motion detection, if your cameras offer SMD smart motion detection, you would select that and then select the type of motion detection you want and the cameras you want it on and hit the back arrow. And if those cameras offer it, hit the back arrow again and hit save. It will not give you an error message. So my cameras offer smart motion detection. That's why it didn't give me an error message. So depending on the age of your cameras, the model, etc., some cameras offer smart motion detection, some do not. Now, I already have intrusion alarms set up on some channels. I'm going to click on that to show you my settings. I have 4 cameras selected. I enabled these settings already on the camera through the NVR. They're selected, and the back caret on the top left lets you navigate these menus. And once you're done, hit save. And that's pretty much it. You have to make sure you have the device added using the P2P code to receive these push notifications. And then you have to do that multi-channel alarm subscription. Lastly, for certain new devices, the app requires you to sign into the app using an email address and password so that you can receive push notifications, such as on the Intercom systems. We have a separate video on how to enable push notifications on the Intercom doorbells. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.